Morning, folks. We're live at 10:15 a.m. and we're running a 3-winner mini for Heaths Star Wars D Fett Baggie. Awesome. I got 20 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random here in just a second. As you can see there, top 3 win spots in the main. Paste our list in of 20 spots, which you can see there, which is awesome. Going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get a 5 or better. First in action, we got a 12. So we're in super good shape to run it up. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Steve dominating round 1. Eric takes round 2. Steve again on top in round 3. Tyler 4. Mark takes round 5. Clint 6. Steve on top in round 7 with number 11 again. Clint round 8. Mark takes round 9 with number 14. Chris on top in round 10 with number 6. Ian in the top spot for our next to last round, round 11, bringing us to the last round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winners are Tyler, Ian, and Clint. Congrats, fellas. Here's the verification. Make it official. Verification code is, come on, you, ESQWLH is the verification. There's our top 3, Tyler, Ian, and Clint, which means I'm done just as the clock is turning to 10:17. As you can see here. Bam. One last time. Here's the winners. Congrats, fellas. See you next time. Thanks.